Today I'm gonna do this makeup look for autumn. Actually, it's almost winter already, but I just wanted to show you this kind of look, which I liked in this fall. Now let's get started. First, I'll mix these two and use them for the base. I'll apply it all over my face with my hand. And I'll use the brush. Actually, my skin is not good today compared to the usual because I didn't sleep before I'm filming. Then I'm gonna put on concealer as well on these red scars. And I'll apply some powder on the eyes and around the brows. I'm gonna draw my brows. It's really pigmented, so I felt like it's hard to use it at first, but now I can handle it. It became more comfortable. And I'll use this kind of definer as well to shape the brows. I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette. The shades are sort of reddish brown. I'll use the matte shadows of it. First I'll put on this color. It looks like orange brown on my skin. And underneath the eyes as well. And I'm gonna mix these two and use them. I'll use another palette. This palette has more muted colors. I'm gonna cover the shadows I applied before a little bit and blend it out. And on this part as well. But I'm not gonna fill the closest part to the eyes. And I'll draw the eye lines. And smudge the line a bit with a dark brown shadow. I'll apply a little bit of eyeliner on the under lash line. And the mascara. I like this mascara because it feels like brushing the lashes. And it's especially good for the under lashes, I think. And the nose shading. I'm gonna shape my nose stronger today. The blush is sort of a dried rose color. It's from Kiko and I bought it in London. I really like this kind of color. It's definitely for autumn. And I'll apply a little bit of highlighter on my nose and my brow bones. And on the cheeks as well. Finally, the lips. First, I'm gonna apply this color for the base. And then this saturated shade. I'll apply gradation with my finger. It's done. I really loved using these kind of colors in this fall. I like fall the most, and the fall makeup as well. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye! 안녕!